Networks have neighborhoods. When you disrupt one, consequences spread. Modules, groups of nodes more connected to each other than the rest. Leiden algorithm finds them. When a modules, protein complexes, scale-free, few mega hubs, many peripheral stations. Hare law, robust to random failure, fragile to targeted hub attack. Cancer exploits this. Network propagation, disease gene sends signal through the network. Random walk with restart. Nearby genes accumulate signal. Guilt by association for gene prioritization. String, BioGRID, intact compile interactions. Experimental, high confidence, low coverage. Predicted, lower confidence, broader. Always filter by confidence. Gene regulatory networks, directed to target. ARACNE uses mutual information. SCENIC reconstructs regulins from single-cell data. The wiring diagram of gene control. The complete transit map. Nodes for structure, hubs for importance, modules for neighborhoods, propagation for discovery. Biology is a network. Map it.